Hello, welcome back to my channel. This video is about posting function on MKTX. With this function, you can auto-tweet 1,000 posts on Twitter with just one click. Let's check it out and see how I do it. Okay, you can see the posting function on the left corner. Now I will guide you how to set up. In general configuration, you set the distance between two actions is from 5 to 10 seconds. And the transfer occurs if a consecutive error is 3 times. Okay. And about the content, you can choose the content that you already input into the software before, or you can take content from any accounts. Okay, you can see the two options here. Okay, this is you allow your accounts to post the same content. If you tick here, your Twitter's accounts will post and use one content only. Next, each account will auto post one article. You can also tag your friends or comment after the post will finish. Just need to input the content here. Okay, that's how to set up auto posting function on MKTX software. Let's see the result. And if you're interested in the software, you can text me on Telegram or WhatsApp, which I pinned below. See you in the next video.